हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल पर। हम इस वीडियो में 50 सेंटेंसेस पढ़ेंगे। हर 10 सेंटेंसेस शुरू में शो होंगे, चाहो तो उनका स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हो आप। चलो दोस्तों स्टार्ट करते हैं। मेरा पेट दर्द हो रहा था। I had a stomach ache.
I had a stomach ache.
लगता है उसे इस बारे में कुछ नहीं पता। He seems to know nothing about it.
He seems to know nothing about it.
आज रात पार्टी हो सकती। There might be a party tonight.
There might be a party tonight.
मेरा ये मतलब नहीं था। I didn't mean it.
I didn't mean it.
लीजिए, आप आ गए। Here comes you.
Here comes you.
मरने से सभी डरते हैं। Everyone is afraid of dying.
Everyone is afraid of dying.
वो अक्सर मुझे हंसाता है। He often makes me laugh.
He often makes me laugh.
मुझे शाम 7 बजे तक ऑफिस में रहने का आदेश किया गया था। I had been instructed to stay in office till 7 p.m.
I had been instructed to stay in office till 7 p.m.
कंडक्टर के पद के लिए किसी ने भी आवेदन नहीं किया। No one applied for the post of conductor.
No one applied for the post of conductor.
यह वही आदमी है जिसके बेटे ने तुम्हारी सहायता की थी। This is the man whose son helped you.
This is the man whose son helped you.
गुड जॉब दोस्तों, हमने 10 सेंटेंसेस फिनिश कर दिए हैं। अब हम नेक्स्ट के 10 सेंटेंसेस पढ़ेंगे, चाहो तो आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हो। वहाँ कितने लोग थे? How many people were there?
How many people were there?
कुर्सी टूटी है। The chair is broken.
The chair is broken.
आप थके हुए लगते हैं। You seem to be tired.
You seem to be tired.
मुझे खुद पर गर्व है। I'm proud of me.
I'm proud of me.
क्या तुमने उसे बताया कि कैसे करना है इसे? Did you tell him how to do it?
Did you tell him how to do it?
मैं तुम्हें तब से यही तो दिखा रही हूँ। I have been showing you this since then.
I have been showing you this since then.
मुझे जाना पड़ा। I had to go.
I had to go.
फर्नीचर इन्हीं का है या किराए पर लिया है? The furniture belongs to them or have they rented it?
The furniture belongs to them or have they rented it?
मैं कोचिंग गया था। I went to coaching.
I went to coaching.
उन्होंने मुझे चुना। They choose me.
They choose me.
गुड जॉब दोस्तों, हमने 10 सेंटेंसेस फिनिश कर दिए हैं। अब हम नेक्स्ट के 10 सेंटेंसेस पढ़ेंगे, चाहो तो आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हो। पता नहीं मेरा बॉस मुझे एक दिन की छुट्टी लेने देगा या नहीं। I don't know if my boss will let me take the day off.
I don't know if my boss will let me take the day off.
वो मैं नहीं होने दूंगा। I will not let that happen.
I will not let that happen.
वो ऐसे रोई जैसे कि वो मर रही थी। She cried as if she was dying.
She cried as if she was dying.
मैं बस बैठा था। I was just sitting.
I was just sitting.
तुम ऊपर आ रहे हो या मैं नीचे आऊं? Are you coming up or should I come down?
Are you coming up or should I come down?
क्या तूने कभी भाभी को रीना के बारे में बताया है? Have you ever spoken to your sister-in-law about Reena?
Have you ever spoken to your sister-in-law about Reena?
कहाँ जा रही हो तुम? क्या हुआ तुम्हें? Where are you going? What happened to you?
Where are you going? What happened to you?
अपने पिता को देखकर बच्चा खुश हो गया। Seeing his father, the kid became happy.
Seeing his father, the kid became happy.
वो तुम्हारे पीछे खड़ा था। He was standing behind you.
He was standing behind you.
मेरा दिल धड़कने लगता है। My heart starts throbbing.
My heart starts throbbing.
गुड जॉब दोस्तों, हमने 10 सेंटेंसेस फिनिश कर दिए हैं। अब हम नेक्स्ट के 10 सेंटेंसेस पढ़ेंगे, चाहो तो आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हो। हंस लो जितना हंसना है। Laugh as much as you want.
Laugh as much as you want.
उसे अपने आप सीखना होगा। He'll have to learn himself.
He'll have to learn himself.
रोहन के साथ साथ उसका दोस्त भी निर्दोष है. Rohan as well as his friend is innocent.
Rohan as well as his friend is innocent.
मैं क्या करूं, रुकूं या जाऊं? What shall I do? Shall I wait or leave?
What shall I do? Shall I wait or leave?
यह लड़ाई मेरे और उसके बीच में है. This fight is between him and me.
This fight is between him and me.
रोहन कहाँ है? Where's Rohan?
Where's Rohan?
चलो मान लेते हैं कि तुम्हारे पास समय नहीं था. Let's say that you didn't have time.
Let's say that you didn't have time.
ऐसा क्यों? Why so?
Why so?
मैं कसम खाता हूँ मैंने ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया. I swear I didn't do anything like that.
I swear I didn't do anything like that.
आपको मिठाई खाने से मना किया गया है. You are forbidden sweets.
You are forbidden sweets.
गुड जॉब दोस्तों, हमने 10 सेंटेंसेस फिनिश कर दिए हैं. अब हम नेक्स्ट के 10 सेंटेंसेस पढ़ेंगे. चाहो तो आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हो. मैं कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ूंगा. I will leave no stone unturned.
I will leave no stone unturned.
ये तो मेरा फर्ज था. It was my duty.
It was my duty.
बूंद बूंद से तालाब भर जाता है. Many a pickle makes a mickle.
Many a pickle makes a mickle.
मुझे ये घर भी खाली करना है. I will have to vacate this house too.
I will have to vacate this house too.
वो रोने लगेगा. He will begin to weep.
He will begin to weep.
डैड चाहते थे कि मैं उनका बिजनेस ज्वाइन करूं. Dad wanted me to join his business.
Dad wanted me to join his business.
वो लगभग 5 फुट लंबा है. He is about 5 feet tall.
He is about 5 feet tall.
वो मैंने कब कहा? When did I say that?
When did I say that?
टीवी देखना बंद करो. Stop watching TV.
Stop watching TV.
कल एक आदमी पर हमला कर उसे लूट लिया गया. A man was attacked and robbed yesterday.
A man was attacked and robbed yesterday.